A startling new report from the International Energy Agency has revealed a silent crisis. 1 billion Africans are still cooking on open fires or with toxic fuels that endanger both their health and the environment. Across the globe, that number jumps to 2 billion people, and they're using wood, charcoal, crop waste, even manure to cook meals, releasing deadly smoke that harms the lungs and also heats up the planet. And here's the kicker. These outdated cooking methods cause as much pollution as the entire aviation industry combined. And according to the IEA, this crisis is not only solvable, it's also outrageously affordable to fix. There is progress. A landmark IEA summit in Paris last year that has generated $2.2 billion in funding and political support from 12 different African nations that's already kick-started real projects. A stuff factory rising in Malawi, while affordable clean stuff programs roll out in Uganda and Ivory Coast. The IEA says that the fix is clear. Invest just $2 billion a year, barely 0.1% of the global energy spending, and the returns would be 4.7 million lives saved and carbon emissions slashed by the equivalent of the entire aviation sector. And the solutions at hand include the likes of solar energy, renewable gas, and cleaner LPG. The bottom line is the technology exists and the investment is pretty tiny, and the time to act was yesterday. And our correspondent Louisa Olani has in fact sent us this report. Listen in.
Every day across Africa, millions of families cook their meals over open fires, an act so routine yet so deadly. A new report by the International Energy Agency, IEA, warns that nearly 1 billion Africans are exposed to toxic cooking smoke from wood, charcoal or dung. It is now one of the leading causes of premature death on the continent. Here in Nigeria, smoke from wood and charcoal stoves, like the one you have behind me, causes respiratory illnesses, kills tens of thousands annually, and fuels deforestation and climate change. The IEA says $4 billion a year is needed globally to solve this. The solution to the crisis: clean stoves, LPG, and solar options exist, but access and affordability remain out of reach for many Africans. From Lagos, Nigeria, Louisa Olani, WION, The World is One.